I'm Chad Reynolds, and we're here at the 2014 Apex show as a part of SEMA Week here in Las Vegas, and we're here at the NASCAR engine building demo where Mahle pistons and Clevite bearings are being used to put together one heck of a NASCAR race motor. The pistons being used are Mahle Motorsports, and these suckers are used in virtually every NASCAR engine on the planet. Now, one of the interesting things is the graphene coating that's on the skirts, which acts as a lubricant and a cushion to limit wear in these 500-mile high horsepower combinations. Again, the rods are using another Clevite bearing, and these suckers are built to last. 20 minutes later, and the Hendrick team threw this Chevrolet together and just ran it right here for all the crowd. Everything worked great, and this was awesome to watch.